Hi everyone, Faber here again from Burn Nutrition and Fitness. Many times you must have seen that people do start, they join a gym, they start a diet, but they cannot keep it, they cannot maintain it because it is not feasible for them. Now in this video, I'm going to give you 5 tips, very important tips, which will help you adhere to it, and then you will achieve your goal eventually. Now having said that, let's get right into the video. Okay, first tip is to set up a goal. Now when I say set up a goal, you really need to know what you actually want. Now whether it be bulking or cutting or trying to gain some muscle or trying to lose fat, you need to figure that out. I know many people are confused. If you are so, then one easy way to figure that out is to find out your body mass index, BMI. Now you'll find many calculators online. Get onto one of those and find out what your BMI is. After that, you'll get an idea of where your body weight is actually supposed to be. Now depending on that, you will know whether you're supposed to lose fat or weight loss or gain some muscle or not. The second tip is to figure out your diet. Having a diet plan is really simple. You must have noticed that Mark Zuckerberg never changes his shirt. He wears the same thing every day. The benefit of that is that you don't have to think about what you're gonna wear. You save a lot of time on that. Now if you're someone who's in college, or if you're someone who's working or has a tight schedule, then having your diet figured out beforehand is really helpful. You don't have to worry about what am I supposed to eat today, what am I supposed to eat in the afternoon. You really know what you have to make or what you have to eat. Having that sorted out is really helpful. So that is the second tip. Now the third tip is to figure out your workout plan or your exercise plan. Now based on your goal, suppose you're someone who wants to gain strength, or if you're someone who's into bodybuilding, or if you're someone who's more in the athletic side, say suppose you don't want to get too bulky, you want to perform better on the field, then you need to know what type of workouts you're supposed to do. For size, look into hypertrophy training. Power and for strength, then you need to look into strength and conditioning type of exercises. So having a good solid workout plan is really helpful. It kind of keeps you fixed and focused on what you're supposed to do in the gym. Never be that person which goes in a gym and keeps asking the trainer, what am I supposed to do today, what am I supposed to do tomorrow, this and that. Every day your exercise will be changing. You will not be able to track your performance or your progress. That is a big no-no when you're trying to adhere to a fitness goal. The fourth tip, I would say, is one of the most important tips. That is time management. Now everyone talks about doing keto diet, this, that. No, figuring out your diet, doing whatever moderate carb if you want to do, keto diet if you want to do, Spartan diet if you want to do it. But what you need to understand is that if you don't get your time management on point, you're not going to be able to adhere to these diets, these workouts. Taking an example from my own college life, I used to prep my breakfast the night before. When I would normally make breakfast in the morning, that time I'll use it to make my dinner and lunch. And the more I started doing it, the more efficient I got. So likewise, I figured out things, try it out for the first 2-3 days, see what goes well for you, what doesn't go well for you, and fix on it and have it as a schedule. You need to have a little bit of discipline in life. Leave some time for enjoyment, leave some time for the serious work. Fifth and the final tip, which is basically budgeting. No one talks about this, but this is again really important. Now not all of us have unlimited amount of budget to start off with. Especially when I was in my college, I was definitely on a tight budget and I had to be really smart with where I spend my money on. So when it comes to fitness, there are few areas where you can actually be smart with your money. Your nutrition and your supplementation. In the area of nutrition, you can be really smart with your food choices. Understand nutrition, understand the nutrition table information and all that. Figure that out, get your groceries right and go for it. The second area where you can be really smart with your budgeting is your supplementation. I see a lot of people making this mistake. Supplementation is one of the areas in the fitness industry where they can make a lot of money. Flashy marketing. The funny thing is, these products, you will use it, but you're not going to get any good results out of it because they are not the main factors behind you reaching your goal. The main factor is again getting your nutrition right and your workout right. If you get those two things right, you definitely don't need supplements at all. Things such as pre-workouts or fat burner. fat burner is basically caffeine plus some flavoring. It's complete waste of money. So if you have the money, then go for it. All well and good for you. I'm happy for you. Try it out. Even pre-workouts as well. I just normally do a protein shake and a little bit of coffee, Nescafe coffee. So that's a decent pre-workout. And if you have the money, then please go forward with it. But if you're tight on the budget, I highly recommend to be smart with where you spend your money, especially nutrition and supplements. Now, if you figure these 5 things out, then trust me, staying consistent, being able to adhere to your goal is really simple. And I hope this video has helped you out. And if you think it really helped you out, then please do share with other people, because I really want to help people, reach out to people. And do leave a like, and definitely you're free to comment on it. If you want to stay motivated, or if you're looking to see what I do in real time, then please go ahead and check out my Instagram page, which is burn_coach. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. See you again.